Hello decorators and welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most joyful and colorful times of the year, Easter. Whether you're someone who loves going all out with seasonal decor, or you're just looking for a few fresh ideas to bring that Easter magic into your home, this is for you. Easter decorations are so much more than just pastels and bunny figurines. They bring a sense of renewal, warmth, and celebration that truly transforms the atmosphere in your home. So, let's talk about why decorating your home for Easter is important, what benefits it brings, and how to make the most of it, even with simple touches. Easter marks the arrival of spring, a season that's all about renewal and new beginnings. And that's exactly what makes Easter decorations feel so special. It's a chance to refresh your space, clear away the remnants of winter, and bring in soft colors, flowers, and natural textures that brighten everything up. The visual shift alone can do wonders for your mood. There's just something about walking into a room filled with fresh flowers, little pops of color, and cheerful symbols of spring that lifts your spirits. When you decorate your home for Easter, you're also creating a welcoming and festive environment. If you're planning on hosting family or friends, even for a simple brunch or get-together, having Easter decor helps set the tone. It shows that you've put thought and care into the space, and it gives everyone that warm, happy feeling that's so tied to this time of year. Even if you're not hosting, it makes everyday moments feel more special. Morning coffee by a vase of daffodils, or walking past a little Easter vignette on your shelf. It brings joy into the routine. One of the biggest benefits of decorating for Easter is how it connects you to the season. With everything from egg wreaths to floral centerpieces, you're reminded of growth, nature, and beauty. It's like a gentle nudge to slow down and appreciate the changes happening outside. The blossoming trees, the longer days, the songs of birds returning. Easter decorations often draw inspiration from nature, and incorporating those elements indoors helps bring that same sense of calm and renewal right into your living space. There's also the creative aspect to think about. Decorating for Easter gives you the chance to express yourself through color and design. Whether you prefer a minimalist look with subtle pastel accents, or you love layering textures and patterns with bunnies, eggs, and florals everywhere, it's an opportunity to play. You can DIY, upcycle, or even repurpose existing decorations with a little springtime twist. Crafting your own Easter decorations, or involving your kids in projects like painting eggs or making garlands can become a cherished tradition, and it adds a really personal touch to your home. Let's not forget how decorating your home for Easter can create lasting memories. Seasonal traditions are a big part of what makes holidays feel meaningful, and the visual cues we create with our decor become part of those experiences. Years from now, your kids or grandkids might remember the way you used to fill the house with pastel colors, or how you always had a special centerpiece on the table. These little things matter, and they help build a sense of belonging and continuity. It's not just decoration, it's memory-making in action. And here's some practical advice for bringing Easter into your home without overwhelming yourself or your budget. Start with one or two focal areas. Maybe it's your entryway, the dining table, or your mantle. Choose a few key pieces like a floral arrangement, an Easter sign, or a bowl filled with painted eggs. Layer in natural textures like woven baskets, wooden bunny figures, or ceramic items for a cozy, organic feel. Don't be afraid to mix store-bought items with handmade touches. A homemade garland, hand-painted eggs, or even a bouquet of garden flowers can go a long way. Use color to your advantage. Pastels are classic for Easter, but you don't have to stick to baby pink and soft blue. Lavender, mint green, lemon yellow, even touches of coral or light gray can work beautifully. Try to keep your palette somewhat cohesive for a more polished look, but don't stress if everything doesn't match perfectly. Sometimes the charm is in the mix. Fresh flowers are also a huge plus. Tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and lilies not only look beautiful, but bring a subtle fragrance that enhances the whole ambience. You can also have a little fun with themed elements. Ceramic bunnies, bird nests, tiny chicks, and of course Easter eggs are all great options. Use them in moderation if you're aiming for elegance, or go all out if you love a playful, whimsical style. For example, a tiered tray with mini nests, colorful eggs, And a few figurines can become a cute and eye-catching centerpiece. Don't forget about textiles. Swapping out pillow covers, adding a seasonal table runner, or even a spring-inspired kitchen towel can make a surprisingly big difference. Lighting can enhance the mood too. Think soft, warm lighting, candles, fairy lights in a glass jar, or even little LED lanterns placed strategically around your space. The right lighting can make your decor feel magical, especially in the evening. It's all about creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere that reflects the joy and hope of the season. One more thing worth mentioning is how decorating for Easter can be a form of self-care. It's an act of love, not just for others, but for yourself. You're saying, I want to surround myself with beauty. I want to celebrate life and new beginnings. In a world that can feel fast-paced and stressful, slowing down to decorate, light a candle, and enjoy a beautifully styled table is a quiet but powerful way to care for your well-being. And as we continue, I want to touch on something that often gets overlooked when we talk about seasonal decorating, and that's the emotional impact. Easter, like any holiday, comes with feelings. For some, it's spiritual and reflective. For others, it's nostalgic and family-centered. No matter what it means to you personally, having your space decorated allows those emotions to surface in a beautiful, tangible way. When you walk into your living room and see a bunny centerpiece you made with your kids, or a wreath you put together while listening to your favorite playlist, it's a reminder of moments that matter. It adds depth to your daily life and makes your space feel alive with purpose. And speaking of purpose, this is also a great time to bring a bit of mindfulness into your home. You don't need to decorate every inch of your house for it to feel meaningful. Sometimes, the smallest corner can hold the most charm. A simple vase with fresh-cut tulips on your nightstand, or a small tray on your coffee table filled with moss, candles, and eggs. These subtle touches bring a sense of calm and seasonal awareness. They make you stop and appreciate where you are right now. It's not just about creating something pretty, it's about creating a feeling. Now let's say you're on a tight budget or short on time. You can still absolutely embrace the spirit of Easter with minimal effort. Use what you already have in new ways. Maybe you've got some spring-colored fabrics stored away. Turn those into napkins, placemats, or wrap them around old vases to give them a fresh look. If you have a few jars lying around, turn them into little Easter-themed candle holders, or fill them with jelly beans and add a ribbon. Even nature is your best friend here. Gather twigs, greenery, or seasonal blooms from your yard or a local park, and use them to create organic arrangements that feel fresh and thoughtful. And here's something a lot of people forget. Scent is part of your decor experience too. A lavender-scented candle, fresh herbs in the kitchen, or even a diffuser with citrus or floral oils can totally change the mood in your home. Scent ties closely to memory, so incorporating it into your Easter decorating is another subtle way to make the season feel more immersive and special. Another lovely idea is to add personal or spiritual touches to your decor. If Easter holds religious significance for you, creating a small vignette with symbols that reflect that part of the celebration, like a cross, scripture, or a candlelit prayer corner, can make the space feel even more meaningful. You can make it as simple or as elaborate as you'd like, but that personal layer of meaning makes your decorations feel more like a reflection of your heart and less like just seasonal fluff. One last piece of advice I'd love to share is to think of Easter decorating as a way to slow down and savor the present moment. In a world where we're always rushing to the next thing, taking time to intentionally create beauty in your space is such a gift. Whether it's a quiet morning spent arranging flowers, an afternoon of crafts with the kids, or just putting out a few thoughtful pieces that make you smile, these moments remind you to celebrate the now. Because Easter isn't just about one day, it's about the entire feeling of the season. It's about lightness, color, hope, and fresh beginnings. And when you bring those themes into your home, they have a way of brightening your life from the inside out. So whether you go big with decorations or just sprinkle a few touches here and there, know that what you're doing matters. You're not just decorating a room, you're creating joy. You're making space for celebration, for connection, and for beauty. And in a world that sometimes feels a little too gray, that's a pretty amazing thing. So whether you go big or keep it simple, decorating your home for Easter is absolutely worth it. It brings beauty, joy, and connection into your life. And it helps you mark the moment in a way that's meaningful and personal. It's not just about the decorations themselves. It's about how they make you feel, the memories they create, and the way they help you celebrate everything that Easter represents: hope, renewal, and togetherness. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you're feeling inspired to bring a little Easter magic into your home. If you've got any favorite decorating tips or traditions, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you do to make your home feel festive this time of year. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas like this. Happy decorating, and happy Easter! I hope you enjoyed these Easter decorating ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive the best decorating content instantly in your account. Thank you.